Hey, welcome to this tutorial on the meltdown. We'll start off with a half meltdown in our wheel plane. Firstly, you want to train this crossed arm position and practice your plane control there. Passing through this position, you will want to also practice your 2-beat weave with one arm behind you. And of course, you want to practice the mirror of this position as well. As mentioned in the plane control tutorial, you also want to drive your poi in a small circle while it's behind your back. While doing this 2-beat weave, try and spot the position where your poi head is passing by your shoulders, going forwards or going backwards. This is your half meltdown, spinning forwards. This is a 3-beat weave kind of motion as well, although your body is in between where your arms are. You still have 3 beats on either side of your body. You'll really want to emphasize the up and down motion of driving your poi. This will help keep your planes nice and vertical and really snug close to your body. For backwards, this is all the same process. Our full meltdown will be in a wall plane. Start with your feet planted and rotate your upper body to one wheel plane facing. In this position, your arms will rotate further around that direction to get to your extreme part of the pattern. You'll have 2 swings as you pass from one side of your body to the other. When spinning from forwards to backwards, you'll have 2 down swings. And when spinning from backwards to forwards, you'll have 2 up swings passing that wall plane facing. For really good posture and shoulder placement, practice these 10 steps that are going to help your plane control in each portion of the pattern. While practicing these, just make sure that your shoulders are in line with where your feet are. And that's about it for this pattern. It has 8 beats in total, 4 behind you and 4 in front of you. You'll have your plane tilting, so it's slightly upwards facing and slightly downwards facing. During the pattern, your hands will always be in a rotationally opposite position. And that's about it. So here's some variations. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again soon.